Hello guys, it is me and it is time to unbox our Mint Mongoose. I believe this is for July of 2021, even though it is now August. If you recognize this top, it is actually the dress for my Stitch Fix. I didn't bother changing out of it. I decided let's go ahead and try this on because I realized the neckline would be a lot better suited to showcase the necklaces and the top I was originally wearing today. So let's go ahead and dive on in. So if you're not aware, Mint Mongoose is a jewelry subscription box, if you will. I always hesitate to use the word box because most of these, they're in envelopes. I guess maybe a jewelry subscription envelope. And there's different plans and whatnot, but I'm in the plan where I believe I get 2 necklaces and earrings every single month. Now, Mint Mongoose quickly turns into one of my favorite unboxings because it gets really deep and I just leave in a better mood, honestly, just because of how deep these things get. So this is what it looks like. And of course, so you have your little Mint Mongoose wax seal, very cute. Each month comes with a card. On one side has an illustration and on the other side, it showcases the jewelry and the artist's inspiration behind the jewelry. So let's go ahead and read about that now. Hi there, this month's set is inspired by maintaining balance in the wild ride of life. Balance, the art of knowing when life needs a little more of one thing and a little less of another. Balance is such an important part of life, but as important as balance is, it is equally as hard to achieve. Obtaining it requires strength, wisdom, and discernment. Finding a healthy balance in all areas seems to be one of those things in life that always seems to be a work in progress rather than a mastery. Something offering a pain point when something is wrong, rather than being something we naturally work at before needing it becomes required. So many areas of life demand balance. Being active versus finding time to relax, eating this versus that, investing effort into this versus that, investing time into this versus that. The list goes on. As a mom of 3 little ones, balance is more of a necessity and harder to achieve than I sometimes realize. I designed this set on the dainty side on purpose to illustrate the fine-tuning that true balance requires and the small baby steps that achieving measurable balance mandates. The small beads on the second necklace in this set resemble the many aspects of life that demand balance from us. I hope that this set reminds you to strive for balance before it transitions into a point of angst. I hope that the small pieces in this set remind you to take baby steps towards investing in your emotional, spiritual, and physical well-being on a regular basis. You have the ability to stay balanced, and I hope this set inspires you to make it a priority for yourself. Okay. I don't know how I feel about this set based on the pictures, but we'll go ahead and open it up. I do generally like dainty jewelry, but looking at this, I don't know. We'll have to see. It's the beauty of unboxing. So for whatever reason, every one of these comes with a Werther's Original. I ain't mad about it. I love it. It's just one of the weird things about Mint Mongoose. Anyways, all the jewelry is wrapped up in some teal tissue paper, so pardon me while I get to work. So here is the first necklace. Now all of their necklaces come with adjustable chains, so you can decide how long or short you want it, up to a certain extent anyway. You can actually choose which metal you prefer. The options are gold, silver, and rose gold. I just said surprise me because I personally think I can rock all metal types. So it looks like I got the gold version this month. I think this one I'm gonna do on the shortest length. See, so here is necklace number 1. Now looks like the next one I need to unbox, unbag, unplastic, whatever you want to call it, are the earrings. So, un momento. Okay, so I really do love how dainty these earrings are. We'll see how they look on my actual ear. I know it's kind of hard to tell like what it exactly looks like at the moment, but be cute. So this is what it looks like on my actual ear. It's cute, but I don't know how I feel about the back of the earring, like poking out from behind. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, so here is the last necklace, which looks like it has a pendant in the same style of the earrings. Speaking of the earrings, I've wondered if maybe it would make more sense for the earrings to, instead of being like the dangly type, for them to be just like, with the normal back type, if that makes sense. Like, I don't know what the proper vocabulary is for this, but feel like in theory it was a cute concept, but in practice maybe it needs a little tweaking. So the second necklace is also on the shortest setting, if you will. So I like these necklaces together. It does look like when it's long, it would be a really good pendant necklace if that's what you're into. I do really like this. I kind of already have necklaces like this, so I don't know. And the earrings I like in theory, but they need a little tweaking. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it this far, if you enjoyed this video, please consider doing all the things that support my channel, such as liking and sharing, subscribing, and turning on that notification bell. Anyways, thanks so much for watching, and stay safe and cool out there, my friends.